Hey guys, how are you doing? Let me hope you all doing well. So guys, welcome to WIGS as always. So for those who are supporting me, thanks for your support. And here I have this jungle green. It's so nice. Look at that finishing, guys. I want to try it for you so that you can see what you're taking, guys. So this is how it looks. The color is posh, you can see it. Look at that, guys. Look, you can only find such wigs with wigs. So guys, let me try it out and see. Simanya bakina fittingako ku mutwe gwange kubanga nyinako ebiswayirizi. Bane guys, mulabe gundi eno kangibagerezeemu bannange, nabe weefaanana. Sigenda gisiba kubanga nyinako ebiswayiri ku mutwe. In the finishing, osobola gisanga bannange. Look, take a good look, guys. Take a good look at this wig. You can also comb it. Bisanirira. So guys, in a wig we are going to take a sideways. It depends on what you want. Joyagala gyogiteeka, joyagala gyenyumira, joyagala gyogiteeka. Wakitegeera? You can style it in any style you want. Bannange, wigi yiyo mugyetegereze. Yiyo osobola gisanga ku WIGS wokka teri walala. Osobola osanga by the such wigs ezifaananako west. This is a long blunt cut. Kanda oba emabega mulabayo bulungi. Emabega efaanana bulungi. Bw'eti bw'efaanana. Bannaye n'ekirala eri very light. It's very heavy. Tezitowa ku mutwe bannange. Wakitegeera? Osobola gistylinga mu style yonna gy'oyagala yonna. You can style it in any style you want. Guys, hiyo wigi find in the WIGS. So you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. You can find us